Are you thinking about moving to Buena Vista and you're looking for a house that's been completely renovated, literally nothing that you have to do? This house is gorgeous right behind me. It's on a Compass private exclusive right now. So there's a couple things that we're getting ready, but the home is like 99% ready for you. In this video, I'm gonna be taking you through the entire house, the guest casita. I'm gonna be showing you a couple unique features like the solar panels and the Tesla Powerwall. I think that this house is perfect for anybody who's looking for a home right outside the design district. Let's head on inside. Right, so we're at 121 Northeast 46th Street. This is a 4-bedroom and it has a casita in the back we'll take a look at. But look at this amazing living room. There is so much art here. We're right outside the design district. So of course we're gonna have a beautiful sofa, all high-end furniture, paintings. Take a look around. And making our way up to the dining room. All high-end furniture, impact windows. Everything has been completely renovated. Have a little bar area right over here. I'll take you into the kitchen. But before we talk about the kitchen, let me take you outside to the carport. So right outside here, you have your own gate that is electronic. It will open up. You can pull your car right through. Have a little seating area. And what I like is that these come down for some privacy. You have speakers built in, your grill, and then right around here is your casita. And right behind me is your Tesla Powerwall. So like I said, the house is on solar. The solar energy is stored in this Tesla Powerwall. The house is pretty much like 90–95% run off the solar power, which is really cool, super energy efficient. Let's head on back inside. Nice stainless steel appliances, white cabinets with the stainless poles, and right around the kitchen, you have a mudroom. Almost feels like Maine, where you would come up, maybe sit down, take your boots off, just get ready before you walk inside your house. Here is the door to the outside. I'll take you to the backyard in a second. Before we do that, washer and dryer. So nice full-size, side-by-side front-loading washer and dryer. And then this bathroom has really unique tile. Love this tile, the vanity, super unique, super cool. This is a drying rack. It actually comes down from the ceiling. All right, making our way back through the kitchen and through this den. Got a nice sitting area. You have bookshelves that are illuminated. Nice sofa here. Beautiful window that overlooks the backyard. And another door that will take us out. I'll show you in 1 second. Let's just keep going upstairs and then we'll make our way back down. So you have a smart Nest thermostat, another beautiful window, just more light, and it does have the built-in shades, the built-in treatments. Let me show you the bathroom right over here. Nice clawfoot tub, gold accents, and I absolutely love this stand-up shower. Did you notice that the toilet, it actually opens up as soon as you approach it? Really nice vanity. All right, so this is the primary. Really nice accent color. You have the blue with the light gray that's contrasted. Nice king-size bed, almost like California king? King or California king? Let me know in the comments what you think. But plenty of room in here. And then the bathroom, this was the first part of the house to get renovated. So take a look at this tile. The mirrors, which are super unique. You have windows facing east and south, a lot of greenery. And again, all impact resistant, so you don't hear anything on the outside. You can I'm not sure if you can see in the camera, but those are the solar panels right out there. And everything has been done super attention to detail. So when we look at the closets are fully built out, right? So it's 3 bedrooms upstairs in the main house. This is the primary. This is a bedroom right now that's in process of being changed over. So the owner is using this as a workout room. We are going to take all of this equipment, move it to the casita in the back, and then we'll stage this as another bedroom. Right, this is the 2nd bedroom upstairs. This is called the pink room. Has a lot of space for being a 2nd bedroom. You have a chair, you do have your dresser, drawers, queen size bed, and nice light. So you have west facing and south facing windows. And you even have a closet right here, which is great. All right, so we took a look at the 3 bedrooms up. All right, I'm gonna take you outside to the casita and we'll take a look at the backyard area. There's so much that you can do in the backyard. super great deck. You do have a little outdoor shower right here. There's a privacy wall right over there that you can install. And what's great about this backyard is that it has enough room for a pool. So the plants were added to give it a little more life, but you could definitely fit a pool right here. And then this is your outdoor casita with the back deck. Definitely an Airbnb opportunity, no worries there. It's pretty much ready to go. So you could be living in the main house, or you could be living in this casita and then renting out the main house on Airbnb. So one more time, Tesla solar panels. The house has been completely renovated, new electric, no cast iron, all PVC plumbing, newer roof, newer AC unit, all back here. Take a look. So this is your little casita. What's nice is that you do have a little kitchenette here. So you have a microwave, you have a little sink, refrigerator and freezer down here. Definitely fit a bed, like a queen size. And then you have a nice little vanity back here, toilet, and a stand-up shower. Again, you could live here, or you could Airbnb this type of unit. All right, that's all for the tour today. Thank you so much, Geane, for letting me take a look and an early preview at the listing. If you'd like any more information, our contact information is in the show description below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.